Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name in 2022. So as you can see right here, our current name is Essetino Artists, and I want to change that. So I'm in the dashboard right now. Head over to the left-hand side, go over to Customization, then go to Basic Info. You might miss it, but right here, this is where you change your channel name. So if you click on the pencil icon, and they've got a quick note here, changes made to your name and picture are visible only on your YouTube channel, well, I added the word channel, and not on other Google services. So I am going to take this right here, and I'm going to add the word media. So we are now essetinomedia. When you're happy with that, click Publish. Then you can click on View Channel to check it out. And boom, there you go. We are officially now essetinomedia. So that's how you change your YouTube channel name. If I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.